my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line S-Tronic finished in the modern Arrow Grey Pearlescent paintwork. This 2022 model comes with a TFSI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include these modern LED headlights with great visibility, which is alongside these dynamic rear indicators, large 17-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek S-Line and A1 badging, and rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 335-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with the multifunctional steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a central touch display and S-embossed front part leather seats for that premium look and feel. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting and rain sensor, in addition to accessing Audi Drive Select, offering a range of driving modes to suit you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.